In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall Google Drive from your computer without deleting your files. By the end, you'll have removed the app from your Windows PC or Mac, and your documents, photos, and folders will remain safely stored in your Google Drive online. Before uninstalling, it's important to make sure everything is fully synced. This prevents any recent changes from being lost. Click the Google Drive icon in your system tray on Windows, which is near the clock at the bottom right, or in the menu bar on a Mac at the top right. When you open the Drive panel, confirm there are no syncing errors and that it shows syncing is complete. If you see that it's still working, give it a moment to finish. If an error is displayed, resolve it first so your latest edits are uploaded to the cloud. Let's start with Windows. Click the search bar next to the Start menu and type Google Drive. In the results, right-click Google Drive and select Uninstall. This will take you to the Apps and Features settings. Find Google Drive in the list, click it, then click Uninstall again and confirm. If you're asked to close the app, go ahead and allow it. The uninstaller will remove Google Drive from your system. This process affects only the application. It doesn't delete the contents of your Google Drive account. Now for Mac. Open your Applications folder. Locate Google Drive, then drag it to the trash. After that, right-click the trash and choose Empty Trash to complete the removal. If your Mac tells you the app is in use, quit Google Drive from the menu bar first, then try again. Once the trash is emptied, the app is removed from your computer. At this point, Google Drive is uninstalled from your device. Your files remain safely stored in Google Drive online, exactly as they were. Uninstalling the desktop app only removes the syncing software from your computer. It does not erase your files in the cloud. If you had offline files or shortcuts on your computer, those local items may no longer update, but your originals are still in your Google Drive account and can be accessed through your web browser or resynced later if you reinstall. That's it. Quick and safe. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.